expand and simplify. So this is already in expanded form. As you can see, it's like 3 times quantity x plus 6 plus 4 times quantity 2x minus 5. So we want to simplify, so we distribute 3. It's a multiplication, means multiply both terms. So 3 times x, 3x, 18 plus 8x plus minus minus 4 times 5, 20. Now simplify means combine the like terms. Here is 3x, 8x. So 3x plus 8x, 11x. Here's 18 minus 20. That's negative 2. Okay, and these are unlike terms, so we cannot simplify further. Here, same thing, we need to multiply. Is a binomial, that means sum of 2 terms, and then this is also sum or difference, same thing, 2 terms. So we can multiply using FOIL, or we can write in this expanded form. It's the same thing. So let me use the FOIL, first, outer, inner, last. So we multiply first terms, outer terms, inner terms, and last terms. So there are 2 times 2. So we should get 4 terms. Let's see. X times 4x, x times 4x, 4 is 4, x, 1, 1, 2 copies, so 4x squared. So x times 4x is 4x squared. X times negative 5 is a negative x5, just 5x or x5. But we write the number in the front, so 5x. Plus 3 times 4x. 3 times 4x, 3 times 4, 12x. And then it's a plus sign, plus 12x. And then 3 times 5. 3 times is a negative 5. It's a negative 3 times 5, 15. So negative 15 or minus 15. Now we combine the like terms. X squared, there are none. So 4x squared stays here. Negative 5x plus 12x. Oh, these are like terms because negative 5x plus 12x. So 12x minus 5x. So we just subtract 5 from 12. That's the plus 7x. Then minus 15. That's the last term. Okay. Now for part C, again same thing like here. We just multiply this to this and then this. So again FOIL. Okay. So let me erase this, so I'll have more room. So we FOIL this and we get the final answer like this one. Okay, root a times root a. So when we multiply, let's say root x times root x, we can do in 2 different ways. It's like the same copies, like x squared means this is root x squared. And then we assuming x is positive, this can be cancelled, and then we get x. When we write root x, this x is positive number, otherwise this will be a complex number. So this is the way. Or you can think root x times root x as root is just root, x times x squared, and square and square root cancel because the x is positive, and we get x. So root a times root a is simply a. Outer, root a times root b, there is a negative sign, so it's minus root a times root b. They are different, so we can write a common root and then a times b, ab. So that's negative root ab. Now inner, root b times root a. So we got root b times root a, single root, b times a, ba. But ba can be written as ab, because it's the multiplication AB. So let's go in this way. So plus 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 root AB, and the last positive negative negative root B times root B, and we know root B times root B like this rule, so we simply get B. Okay, and now we can combine the like terms. Look at the middle 2 terms. One of them is negative and this one is positive. Same thing, negative positive cancel, so the resultant is 0, nothing. A minus B, so the final answer is A minus B. Okay, Now let's go for part D. So let me make room for that one. In part D we got 2x plus 3 quantity squared, means we want to multiply 2x plus 3 by itself. Okay, so part D, let me write here 2x plus 3 squared. And by the way, this is not simply 2x squared, which happens to be 4x squared, plus 3 squared 9. This is not true. What is true then? 2x plus 3 quantity square means 2x plus 3 times the same thing, 2x plus 3. Now we're going to use like this one, FOIL. So it's like expanding. Okay, you don't have to write FOIL. So basically you multiply first, outer, inner, last. And then you get 2x times 2x, 2x times 2x, 2 to 4, x squared. So this is 4x squared, 2x times, okay, outer, 2x times 3. 2x times 3 is 2 times 3 is 6x. So all positive, so we don't have to worry about anything, 6x. In the same way, 3 times 2x is 3 times 2 6x. And last, 3 times 3 9, it's a positive 9. Now we need to combine the like terms. So inside the middle two terms, 6x 6x, that's 12x. So this is 4x squared plus 12x plus 9. That's the final answer. Okay, now we have part E, which is x plus 2 cube, or 3 copies. Okay, it's not simply you can cube it, you need to multiply 3 times. Okay, which will be a little bit of tedious work. Let's see, 2x, let me write here x plus 2 cubed. So you can go in this way, x plus 2, x plus 2, x plus 2. Okay, 3 copies. So you can multiply these 2 copies first by foiling. Okay, and then we can do the similar work, foiling, but there might be more terms. So let's do that. So let's multiply these 2. This x plus 2 stays here. So this is first, outer, inner, last. X squared, x plus 2, 2x, 2 plus x, 2x, 2 plus 2, 4. Okay, we need to simplify, then we need to multiply more. X plus 2. The middle two terms are same, so 2x plus 2x, so 2 copies of something plus 2 copies of same thing, so 4x. 4x plus 4. Now we still need to multiply, but FOIL is for 2 binomials. Binomials means factor with 2 terms, but we got 3 terms here. I mean, you can do the same type of foiling work, but we just don't call FOIL. So you multiply x to all 3, x times x squared, x times 4x, x times 4. Then repeat. You do with 2. 2 times x squared, 2 times 4x, 2 times 4. Or there can be other ways, but essentially this will, the final answer will be same. X times x squared, what is that? X times x squared. 2 copies, 1 copy. When we multiply, we add 1 and 2, so it's a 3. Okay, x times x squared is x cubed. X times 4x is the plus 4x x squared. X times 4, 4x, all positive though. Okay, plus, now let's multiply these 3 terms by 2. 2 times x squared, 2x squared. 2 times 4x, 2 times 4, 8x. 2 times 4, 8. Now we combine the like terms, and starting the highest exponent, x cubed. I mean, there are no other x cubes, no cubes, so x cubed stays here. Okay, that's the x cubed. 4x squared, do we have a term with x squared here? Okay, so 4 copies plus 2 copies, both positive means plus. How many copies? 6 copies of x squared. And then 4x plus 8x. Okay, 4 plus 8, 4 plus 8, 12 copies of x. Okay, and then what leaves? Plus 8, a number. These are unlike terms, so we cannot combine anymore. So this is the final answer.